Let me tell you what really happens in MLM companies. You get sold an opportunity, which is actually just a sales job for a company whose product is whatever. It's usually packaged as an opportunity to make easy money and fast. All you have to do is get two people who get two people who get two people, and you'll be a huge success, right? But in reality, most people are never able to recruit a single person. So this is what happens, and I'll use you in this example. You pay money out of your own pocket to become a salesman for a company with the sole objective of making money. Now let's say that you break the mold and actually sign up 10 people. And all 10 of those people, they go out there and they get a big fat 0. You feel a little discouraged, but you go to a meeting and it pumps you back up. And you go out there and you get your 11th person. This new person goes out there and gets one new person. And you feel energized. This could really work, right? So you hit it hard and sign up 10 more people. And they all go out there and they get a big fat 0. It doesn't take long before everybody quits and the whole experience was a waste of money, time, and usually you have burned a few friendships along the way, right? Now that sounds like a scam, doesn't it? And it's the reason why Tracy Davison is such a visionary and will change the entire industry. You see, when you join Tracy's business for only $10, you're encouraged to purchase for only $100 6 paid signups or recruits into your downline, provided by Tracy's recruiting company. So, just in case you're not a great salesman, you can be assured to get at least 6 team members below you. Now, let's see how that impacts the whole situation. Let's go back to our example. Let's say all 6 people recruited for you are regular people, and on their own efforts, they go out there and they get a big fat 0. But they were all encouraged to buy 6 signups. And here is where Tracy's genius begins to reveal itself. Because of the paid signups purchased by your 6 teammates, you can bank on your team growing by 36 new people. That's 6 people who purchase 6 each. Even if everyone gets a big fat 0 on their own efforts, Tracy's recruiting company will sign up 36 new people on your team. Now, let's say that of the 36 new people, only 1 in 10 gets a sign-up, sticking with our example earlier, and everyone else gets a big fat 0. That means your team grew by 36 plus 3, for a total of 39 new people. Now, in old school network marketing, that type of failure would cause people to quit like rampant. But remember, all 39 of these new team members have been encouraged to buy 6 paid signups. So even though you only had 3 people successfully recruit another person, the recruits that came in from Tracy's sales force add up to 39 times 6. That's 234 new people on your team. You see, Tracy has created a system where even with the massive amounts of failure associated with the industry, everyone becomes a success. And not just a 2 by 2 by 2 success, this is 6 by 6 by 6 growth that you can bank on. That is why there is so much energy surrounding what Tracy Davison is doing. But Tracy did not stop there. This is only the beginning of his master plan. Right now, only 15% of the adult population is even willing to try network marketing, because everybody has an uncle's cousin's brother who tried network marketing and failed, and now they don't want anything to do with it. So how do we get all these people into the business? The answer, a reality TV show. On this reality TV show, we will take poor people in third world countries with no teeth, who can barely speak English and barely use computers, and we will make them rich through network marketing, consistently, week after week on broadcast television. Now, let me quickly go over another industry that saw huge success with this format. Many of you have heard of the hit TV show Biggest Loser, right? Well, let's examine this for a minute. 10 years ago, the fitness industry had a dilemma. There was a huge market pool in America of people who desperately needed fitness training. But 80% of the target market, the people who needed it the most, had a mentality like this. Oh, I'm too old to get fit, or I'm too heavy to get fit, or I have diabetes, I can't work out, or I'm just big boned. So how did the industry break this mindset nationwide? They created a TV show that would take anyone, any age, and any weight, and with all kinds of health problems, and they would consistently, week after week, transform their lives and make them fit. And they would do it in a short amount of time. And they would broadcast it on television. That was the magic key to breaking the myths in America surrounding fitness. They made it a fact in the minds of Americans that no matter how old you are or what shape you're in, if you are willing to do the work, you can become fit. And the market expanded and expanded. All of those people in the target market no longer had the mindset that it would not work. The TV series broke that mindset. With that example in mind, think about what is going to happen to the network marketing industry when we start consistently taking poor people, training them to follow our success formula, and make them wealthy on broadcast television. Take a look out your window right now at all the people in all the houses around you who desperately need a boost in income. You see, they are no different than the overweight people who believed they were too old or too overweight to get fit. Many of them have an uncle's brother's cousin who tried network marketing and failed. And now, in this moment, they are not going to touch network marketing. But when we start broadcasting on television, one life transformation after another, and they start seeing poor people in third world countries start making more money than their kids in college, and then we do a follow-up episode, and now that same person is making more money than they are, the market will open up, and people will realize there is something about this new approach to network marketing that is working and changing lives. And the entire market pool will expand. And people who never thought they would have anything to do with network marketing will all of a sudden be joining by the hundreds of thousands. And the entire industry will transform. And that is only the beginning of Tracy's vision. You see, Tracy also knows that only people who are making money stay in the business. And the people making the most money are at the top. And that doesn't work forever. I assure you, Tracy has an equally genius plan for ensuring that everyone makes money. But I'll save that for another video. Right now, this is the question you need to ask yourself. After seeing the plan laid out before you in detail, do you get in now at the top where there is the most upside potential? Or do you wait until people are joining by the hundreds of thousands? For only $10, I think there is tremendous value in getting in today, right now. Find a sponsor or find an agent of 60 Second Millionaire Secrets and sign up right now.